So what are rain chains? Well, rain chains are artistic downspouts for your rain gutters. And they've been used in Japan and South America architecture for hundreds of years. Now there's several different designs here. You could get ones that are just a loop design like that, but they are mostly made out of metal, usually copper. And you could either get chains or loops like that shape, or this is called a cup design. You can see this one is made out of copper, and it is a cup design in the shape of a flower. So it's really beautiful. I like them a lot. And you can see the way I designed it is it attached to the gutter easily, and then I put a pot here and I drilled several holes with a special drill bit for ceramic. And you can see I filled it up with gravel, and it's on top of a drain pipe. So that's been my strategy. And so there's been no problem with drainage here. It's all just goes into the gravel in the pot. And if anything, it just gets a little noisy when it's really, really an intense rain. So let me go show you my other design and see if you prefer that cup design to this flower design. So here's our second rain chain, and you can see it's a different design. It's just a little bit messier. We'll kind of spray out a bit more than the cup design. Now it could also be because sometimes these get plugged up. So I like to use a screwdriver. I'll clean it out. You can see there's some debris there. So that's what I usually do. They are beautiful. So you might want to consider getting yourself a rain chain instead of just having a normal, boring rain gutter. So give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll keep them coming. Have yourself a wonderful day, and consider getting yourself one of these beautiful rain chains.